Inspired by the modern pentathlon, this challenge combines speed, coordination, problem-solving, and teamwork into a fast-moving relay. While the Olympic event dates back to 1912, today's version focuses on quick thinking, adaptability, and working together under time pressure. This is a timed relay race made up of 5 distinct challenges. Here is how we will set up the teams. Each team must divide into 5 sub-teams of 2 people, with 1 sub-team assigned to each challenge station. After all challenge instructions are explained, teams will have 1 minute to decide which 2 people will compete in each challenge, 1 additional minute to move into position at your assigned stations. Let's talk about the relay format. Once the relay begins, a new stage starts every 4 minutes, or sooner if the prior stage is completed early. If a team finishes a stage before the 4-minute mark, a team member must tag the next stage to begin. Teams may have multiple stages running at once. However, a team cannot finish or win until all assigned stages are completed. If a stage is still in progress when the next stage begins, that team member must continue working until completion. This is a timed event. Now, let's talk scoring. The first team to complete all 5 stages wins outright, and your time will be recorded. However, the losing team should attempt to finish, since you are still competing against the broader field and points matter. If neither team completes all 5 stages, points will determine the winner. Point system, only if needed. Each completed stage earns 1 point per participant. An additional bonus point is awarded to the team that finishes that stage first. Each stage is worth a maximum of 3 points. If a team is short a participant, one person will need to complete a challenge twice. In summary, the team to finish all 5 stages first wins. If no team finishes, the highest point total wins. Here are the 5 stations of the relay race. Station 1. Traffic cone flip. Players must stand on the line and flip 1 traffic cone at least 360 degrees and land it on top of the other cone as it is placed. Station 2. Tape measure retract. Each team member must retract a tape measure so the metal tip lands within 2 designated lines. Both teammates must succeed to complete the stage. If the target area is missed, the tape must be reset to the reset line. Only 1 button press per attempt is allowed. Teammates may retract simultaneously or assist with resets. Station 3. Pencil sharpening. Each participant must sharpen 1 of 2 pencils. 1 until only the red half remains. No blue can be on the pencil. 1 until only the blue half remains. No red can be on the pencil. Once complete, show the judge, and they will determine if the task is complete. Station 4. Hex nut stacking with chopstick. Using 1 chopstick, stack all of the hex nuts provided, one on top of another. The nuts must be stacked on a flat side, one of the 6 outer faces. Station 5. Pencil bounce and flip into cup. Each participant must bounce a pencil off the table, flipping it at least 180 degrees, and land it inside the cup. There is no distance requirement between the bounce point and the cup. The pencil must clearly flip at least 180 degrees in the air. You may not move or hold the cup. If you have questions, ask the event judge now. Work together, move quickly, and stay focused as the relay unfolds. Have fun, cheer on your teammates, and enjoy the competition.